Hello beauty squad, it's your girl TeeTee. Welcome back to my channel of all things love, life, and beauty. I hope everyone is staying safe, and I really hope everyone is enjoying their summer thus far. It is super hot here in LA. It's like you don't even want to go outside. Where we are, it's 109 today. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. So I've been outside maybe twice today. Just go figure. It's just too hot to go out, but you stay inside and you make yourself a couple cocktails. It's all good. All good. So today I am going to share with you guys, so me, I love the finer things in life, and my makeup is no different. I have no problem spending money on higher end products that I like, and I have reviewed several on my channel here. Some I have not liked, but majority of it I have liked, and some I'm just kind of in the middle about. And so I'm going, you know, the products that I'm going to bring to you and share with you today are products that are worth the splurge. Let's just say they are worth the splurge, and I'm going to tell you why. I'm going to tell you the prices, and I'm going to tell you why. But before we get into it, you know what to do. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You're already here. Hit the little bell so you know when my videos have been uploaded. We are going to get into a few products, beauty products, and a couple skincare products that I think are worth the splurge. Stay tuned. Some of y'all gonna kill me. I know. Marlo, Toya, I know you're going to kill me, but whatever. Okay, so let's start with some skincare items that I think are definitely worth the splurge. This Lotus Youth Preserve Cream from Fresh. This is, so I'm referring, I think it is 48. No, hold on. Let me see how much this is, because I love this. This is 48, and I absolutely love this cream. I use it, it's almost gone, so I'm going to definitely grab another one. And I tell you, I use this twice a day when I do my makeup. I'll use this along with an oil and shine control primer, and it just helps my makeup sit so well. Another skincare item, and this is 59, and this is the Rose Hydration Serum from Fresh. Right now, I just love Fresh and Estee Lauder right now, but this is just so good. You shake it up so it mixes everything together, and it's like a dry oil serum. You put it, you know, in your hands, rub your hands together, and it dries to just a smooth finish that is just absolutely beautiful. I use this faithfully as well too. And for some of my ladies over 40, this Advanced Night Repair from Estee Lauder, this is $72 and worth every damn dime of it. This is another serum of sorts. There are different serums and serve different purposes, and I don't use them together. It's one or the other. Right now I'm using Fresh, and I ran out of this, and I started using this to use this, and I love it. And I have another one on the way of this, so I switch it up. But this Advanced Night Repair, it's been around forever for Estee Lauder. And here, I'm going to tell you, this this stuff is the truth. It's definitely such a good product, I'm going to tell you. So what it does is it's a serum as well, a powerful serum that significantly helps reduce the look of aging, and it's for all skin types. There's a reason this stays sold out a lot, because this shit right here is the bomb, the absolute bomb. So those are my skincare loves as of right now. Makeup, oh boy, yes, some of y'all gonna be mad. Let me get the price of this one. So I'm gonna start with this. What did I do with it? I know I took a picture of it. Maybe I didn't. Hold on. Oh, no. It's by Natasha Denona, and it's her Bronzing Glow Palette. This is $55. I remember. This is $55, and I love this. Now, she's come up with a couple others that I haven't been so much as interested in, but this one I like. This one stays close to me, and I use this as a bronzer and a highlighter, and I think it looks good on a lot of skin tones. I'm not going to say all, but definitely a lot of skin tones. This to me is worth the $55. This definitely. Okay. Like I said, some of y'all gonna be mad, and I don't even remember how much this one is, but this is a Chanel translucent powder. I watched Mel Thompson. She loves this stuff too. This is probably, in my opinion, the best translucent powder out there, and then Laura Mercier. This stuff, and they discontinued it recently. I don't remember how much it is. I know it's probably about $60, $70 for this. I ordered another one from Macy's, but this helps my makeup just, it sets everything in place. It just makes my skin look flawless. I hate that they discontinued this. I really do. I wish I could find the price for you guys, but this is a great translucent powder. I was watching another, and this, I'm in the shade translucent 3, and I was watching another, I follow another girl on Instagram. Her name is Drea, and she says she loves this too, but this is one of those, because I'm still looking for the price, because it is pricey, that you want to use it sparingly. And trust me, I use this sparingly. So here, let me see if I could find the price. They may not even have it anymore, because I think at the time I ordered it, it might have been the last one. Yeah, see, Macy's doesn't even have it anymore, so it's gone. So I probably got it at about the right time. But yeah, I'm probably gonna say it's probably about $60, $70 worth every penny of it. Okay, concealer. Pat McGrath. Her concealer, I reviewed this concealer earlier this year. I love this concealer. This is something that I definitely reserve and save for a special occasion. It's $32. It's definitely on the higher end price point wise for a concealer. It's worth it. I bought another one. I bought one that's a little closer to my skin tone, because I want to try a no foundation look but just using concealer. So I got something closer to my skin tone. This stuff is the bomb. It's in this nice glass bottle. It's got some weight to it. This is special occasion, like a lot of Pat McGrath products are, they're special occasion, but this concealer is worth every bit of $32. Told you, I ain't playing. I love champagne for a reason. Okay, we're going to get into a couple of powders. Okay, so we're going to start. We might as well just, we're already on Pat McGrath. And let me see how much this one is. I don't know why this thing just doesn't stay where I tell it to stay. My damn phone. Okay. This powder from Pat McGrath, and you don't get a lot for your money. This little powder is 0.14 ounces, okay, for $30. Okay, so just keep that in mind. And let's look at Charlotte Tilbury, okay, and what you get for that. This is $45, and this is 0.28 ounces of product. So this is double the product and what you get in this. This is $30, this is $45. This is very good to be little as hell, though. This under your eyes is just the bomb. I got dark because I already had this in medium. This powder, both of these powders, I tell you, $45, this is worth it. I tend to only use these products under my eyes. There's one MAC powder that I use under my eyes, the C6 powder, but these two under my eyes, $45, $30, worth it, hands down. Okay, since I'm on Charlotte Tilbury, bronzer, it's $55. Don't hate me, but I reviewed this. It is a great bronzer, and on top of that, it's refillable. So I think the refills are out or coming out very soon. You just pop that out and pop another one in. I am in tan 3 in this, and when I tell you it's what I'm wearing today, because it's not too light, it's not too dark, this is just absolutely right, hands down. It is every bit of a airbrush matte bronzer. I absolutely love this, and I think she's coming out with more shades, but look at all that you get in this. I get it, $55 is a lot for bronzer when you have some bronzers that are half the price, but again, worth the splurge. Look at the amount of product that you get for the price. I mean, this will probably last me forever. Not forever like forever ever, but definitely a very, very long time. Okay, I'm sitting in front of the window and the light is starting to shift. Hold on. Okay, that's a little better. Close the window a bit, but this is definitely worth it. I mean, just the packaging design on this, it's the whole package, right? With Charlotte Tilbury, like Pat McGrath, it's the presentation, it's all that you get for the price for this, for $55. It's worth it. If you never have to use another bronzer again, this is all you need. Okay, since we're on Pat McGrath, I mean Charlotte Tilbury, I'm gonna say this little eyeshadow palette. Now I bought one of her other palettes that I gave away. I showed you in my last video the one that I got that I actually ended up giving away, and it was $55. This little one, my husband Chocolate convinced me to get this one, and I love this one. This is the blue one. Oh my god, I got so many compliments when I wore this. My eyes are a hazel color, and I tell you, I got so many compliments. And this pigment, let me swatch it. The blue is just so pretty. It's just so pretty. All right, let me swatch these for you. That, okay. Let's go to this bronze here. Here, let me just take that off. All right. This matte blue. Nice. And then this shimmer blue. Nice. This definitely was worth the splurge. Now, obviously it's a little more expensive, let's say, than the Huda ones, which I think are $27, which are good too. The Huda Beauty the Huda Beauty little quads like this, her mini ones, actually I think they're not quads. I think they've got about 6-9 colors in them. Let's see. The one I love the most, this one, it's got nine colors in it for $27 or $29. And but this, it's little. You got to get past it being just little. It's just so pretty. It's so pretty. And I told him, thank you for convincing me to buy that, because it is pretty. Now, I had to use other colors from another palette that I made. I made my own palette from Anastasia, individual little pans, and I used their neutral colors or transition colors, so I used that. But the blue and the other colors I used, Definitely worth it. Last but not least, I mean, let's just say Pat McGrath. I mean, is there anyone else? Let me just say I'm wearing Divine Rose 2 today. I reviewed this one, and I reviewed both of them, and I liked the second one better. I've reached for the second one multiple times. I'm wearing this color, this pink color, and this color. That one right there. I'm wearing those 4 colors, 1, 2, 3, 4 colors on my eyes today. $125. Worth it. It's pretty, and you know, it's definitely not a palette you're going to travel with. It's a little heavy. Again, Pat tends to be a special occasion, but since we're not doing a lot of special occasions lately, I've just been wearing more makeup than I normally do, because you're sitting your asses at home every day and utilizing this. But Divine Rose 2 is definitely a winner. I'm sure there's probably a sale coming up at Sephora. I would snag it then. Then last but not least, Bronze Seduction from Pat McGrath. Again, another palette that's $125. This one, there's a reason this is a bestseller. It stays sold out. This deep purple here, I love that color. I really, really love that color. I mean, this is just a great palette. And this was probably my first experience with Pat McGrath, was this palette here. And I love this palette. So definitely worth the splurge. If I had to pick between one or the other, I'd probably go Bronze Seduction. I said it. I'd probably go Bronze Seduction over Divine Rose 2, which Divine Rose 2 is only second to Bronze Seduction. So those are some very high-end products, I think, that are definitely worth the splurge. The only thing I don't have that's super high-end is foundation, and I definitely want to try the Tom Ford Traceless Soft Matte Foundation. It's hard to buy foundation online, and the Sephora's out here by me don't sell his products, so I've got to stick with what works, which is Estee Lauder Double Wear, my Lancome, and now my Too Faced Soft Matte, which I'm wearing today, and it's holding up very well today again too. So these are definitely some products worth the splurge. I'm not telling you to go out and get them. I'm just saying, if you're looking for a splurge with good quality products, pigment for the price, these are definitely your products. Let me know what you think. Don't hate me. Don't hate me. Comment below. Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down. Let's talk about it. Let's just talk about it. I know I'm a high-end kind of girl, so there's no disputing that. There is no disputing that. Until next time, your girl TeeTee is out.